and beyond was the moon. Nice work, Jade. Okay, we have a situation. I ran the lawnmower into the shrub in the front, right outside the front door, and bumblebees came a-running, and attacking the lawnmower. So I figured I would go ahead and tell the story of the only time in the last 30 years that I've been stung was by bumblebees, the same kind of bumblebees, because we were digging out a vehicle, doesn't matter. They had their nest inside the vehicle. I had to put a tire on the vehicle. I upset the nest, got stung my right ear, on my right ear that day. As I was driving home, listening to the radio, that was the day Trump got shot. That was weird. That was really weird. Yeah. Okay. Let's go see Jade, what they're doing. We got to do some fencing. You stay here, Jade. Looking good. You stay there. Nice. Nice. Not using my normal phone. Can't afford a new real phone, good phone. This is a real phone too. It's what I use when I'm up on tops of ladders. You can see we got a good firefly population out here. What happens is, when you upset a nest, they spray stuff on the attacker. So after the lawnmower had been marked, they spent a whole lot of time stinging the lawnmower. Back away very slowly. All right. Okay, we're gonna let you go. I think I'll probably be okay. Bye.